What if you could get a GPS drone with a 2-axis gimbal, brushless motors, intelligent tracking, and a screen controller without spending a fortune? Today, we're taking a closer look at the RG708 MAX GPS Drone, a compact folding drone packed with features usually found on much more expensive models. But is it actually worth buying? Let's find out. Welcome back to Caring Guy.
Right out of the box, the RG708 MAX looks surprisingly modern and professional. The folding design makes it easy to carry in a backpack, and at under 250 grams, it's lightweight enough for travel and outdoor adventures. The drone features a sleek black body, foldable arms, dual cameras, and a 2-axis stabilized gimbal that immediately gives it a more premium appearance than many entry-level drones. Included in the package are RG708 MAX Drone, screen remote controller, 3800 mAh battery, USB charging cable, spare propellers, 8GB memory card reader, and user manuals. Everything needed to get started is included. The build quality feels solid for a drone in this category. The foldable structure locks firmly into place, while the brushless motors are a major upgrade over traditional brushed motors. Brushless motors generally offer better efficiency, smoother flight, longer lifespan, reduced maintenance. The RG708 MAX also includes an electrically adjustable camera that can tilt up to 90 degrees, making it easy to capture different shooting angles during flight. This is where the drone becomes really interesting. The RG708 MAX combines GPS positioning with optical flow technology. That means the drone can maintain stable hovering both outdoors and in lower altitude situations. Key GPS features include one-key return home, low battery return, lost signal return, real-time positioning, route planning, intelligent follow mode. For beginners, these features add an extra layer of confidence and safety. If the battery gets low or the signal is lost, the drone can automatically attempt to return to its takeoff point. The RG708 MAX advertises an 8K camera system paired with a 2-axis gimbal. While resolution numbers can sometimes be more marketing-focused than performance-focused, the stabilization system is the real highlight here. The 2-axis gimbal helps reduce unwanted camera movement and vibration during flight. The drone also includes wide-angle front camera, optical flow secondary camera, electrically adjustable lens, gesture photography, real-time FPV transmission. For casual aerial photography, travel videos, and social media content, these features provide a lot of creative flexibility. One of the standout features is the built-in screen controller. Instead of relying entirely on your smartphone, the dedicated controller allows you to view flight information and camera footage more conveniently. The remote features: integrated display, built-in rechargeable battery, approximately 1,200 meter control distance, comfortable ergonomic design. This can make the flying experience much more convenient, especially outdoors. The 1503 brushless motors provide enough power for stable outdoor flights. According to the specifications, the drone offers approximately 25 minutes of flight time from its 7.4-volt 3800 mAh battery. Other flight functions include headless mode, waypoint flight, circle flight, intelligent tracking, palm gesture capture, GPS optical flow switching. For recreational pilots and content creators, this feature set is impressive for the price range. Pros: GPS positioning, 2-axis stabilized gimbal, brushless motors, folding design, built-in screen controller, intelligent follow functions, return to home features, and good flight time. Cons: actual image quality may vary from advertised resolution. Wind performance depends on conditions. Long-range transmission claims may be difficult to achieve in real-world environments. The RG708 MAX GPS drone offers a strong combination of features for beginner and intermediate drone users. You get GPS positioning,
Brushless Motors, a 2-axis gimbal, intelligent flight modes, and a screen-equipped controller in a lightweight foldable package. If you're looking for a budget-friendly aerial photography drone with modern features and easy controls, the RG708 MAX is definitely worth considering.
What do you think about the RG708 MAX? Would you choose this drone for travel, photography, or just for fun flying? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more drone reviews, tech gadgets, and honest product tests here on Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.